A lot of people want to move from ChatGPT to Claude, whether it's for better writing, better code, or just for some ideological reasons. But there is one thing holding them back. They've built up context in ChatGPT, memories, preferences, project history, and they just don't want to lose it all. Here's the thing, you don't have to. Claude built a native import feature, and it works perfectly. So let me show you exactly how to use it. First step, we're gonna open Claude. Normally you are already signed up with Claude, either with the free version or with Pro or some other package, but you have Claude already installed with your account. Then the first thing you're gonna do is go into settings. You can click the button here at the left corner. Then you go to capabilities and you see right here, import memory from other AI providers. This is exactly what we need. Then you go on Start Import. When you click this button right here, you get the whole prompt from Claude that you need to extract all your infos, your memories from ChatGPT or other AI providers. You just click on copy the whole prompt. Then you go over to ChatGPT. Now you can just paste in the prompt and hit on Start. And as you can see, it's going pretty quick and it extracts the data that you need. But basically you see the overpoints. Here it's instructions, identity, so who I am, my career, what I'm doing, my projects, and stuff like that. I will not show you everything because there is a better method to do that. For that, we go to a new chat and we got a lot of information already, but the results are going to be much better if you switch to the thinking model. Then same procedure, we paste in the prompt and we hit go. With this model, he takes the time to go a bit deeper on all of your memory. You can see here there's a lot more information, some private that I'm gonna censor. And here you can see there's really like a whole bunch more information than before. It takes a bit more time, but it's definitely gonna be worth it at the end. So yeah, as you can see, we have all the information that we need, much more than before. And now we can just hit copy, go back to Claude and paste everything in here. Then you just click add to memory. And now you can see Claude is working on updating your memory. If it's your first time, it's of course the first memory, so like the basis. And now we're updating because I already put memory, so all like the prompt and all the memories from ChatGPT, the information is over. So basically that's it. When this is finished, you have every information, every memory from ChatGPT on Claude. So you can work like on ChatGPT with the same informations, whether it be personal or business related in Claude. So yeah, here we have a quick rundown, a quick recap from the memory. As you can see, there is a lot more behind that. This is just like an overview to show what's been put in. And basically that's it. You can now use Claude like your ChatGPT with the same memories or with any other AI provider before, and you're good to go. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful for you. Please consider liking and following this account and let me know in the comments if you have further questions. I will be happy to help you with that. See you in the next one.